Hi everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve keychain error on Pinterest. To know how to fix or how to solve keychain error on Pinterest, you should just go to settings like this. You will click. After that, in this page, you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. When you will see this list, you will go down to find the application of Pinterest here and you will enter. Then in this page you should to go to click for stop. When you will end this, you will enter to start. After that you will go to click clear cache. Then you will go to click clear data. And when you will end all this stuff as you see here, you can update your application. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.